Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from dxckrtu.com. Hit you another video. And this is another review of another cashback app I've been using for a little while now. It's called Ibotta, whatever. I think it's called Ibotta. And it's a cashback app. And you see all their favorite stores here. One was a cashback at Best Buy. You have Target, Walmart, Walgreens. If you let me scroll. I guess not. There we go. Kroger, CVS, Sam's Club. And this is how it works. So you go to Target. Give it a minute. Maybe not. So let's try Walmart. Wally World. Okay, so here's Walmart. And it says here on Nestle, we'll click on this Nestle water here. So Nestle water, 16 ounce, 32 count, limit 1. So I get 75% back on this water, only for 2 packs. So I get 2 packs, 75 cents off. And what I need to do, so I'll go to Walmart, this little plus sign, you click the little plus sign, and you hit add 75 cents. Now sometimes we'll have like a survey, like how many kids you have in your home, or what's your annual income, or you might have to watch a short video to get the add-on. So what you do is hit add 75 cents back offer. All right, so that's checked. So now when you go to Walmart, you have to get this water. Okay, you get 1 or 2 packs. What you do is go ahead and buy it, and you have to scan the receipt. Okay, so his back here. Pampers, really good one as well for kids, for the babies. You get $3 back on any Swaddle, any side, any variant, up to 5 packs. So limit 5. So you get $3 back on each. So that's pretty neat. Let's check out. There's all Walmart here. Let's say, and here's the top here for you. What's hot? Best value. Microwave dinners here. New offers. Any item. So this is a good one too. Any item. So go here. This one you should do automatically. They'll give you 50 cents off any receipt. So to give you 50 cents, you just scan your receipt. So you always click on that one. And sometimes we'll have bread, or I think it's right here. Well, it's not here. Yesterday you had it, but any item, they'll have like any bread, like bagels or bread, any cheese, you get 50 cents for that. So here's a cool dairy and eggs. Here's the dairy section. If you love yogurt, here's the eggs I was talking about here. Any eggs here. 1 dozen, any brand, any egg, you get 25% off, which is great because eggs are nowadays cheap. Here's the cheese. 25 cents on any brand cheese. Really good. Really, really good. Here's the pantry. Here's the beverages. They also have wine in here as well on discount. Here's the frozen section here. The produce. Any bananas you get 25% off, but you have to add it to your cart. And it's a good app. It's a really good app. See, so far I've only made $20 so far, but this app is pretty cool. And it's very time consuming because you have to like go on each. If you go to Walmart, you have to go through every item to see what you buy to add to your cart. Then you have to actually go to the store and get it. Then you have to take a screenshot of your receipt. And these receipts are very long, so these receipts are hard to upload to the platform. So what you do, hit redeem. And it's with the Walmart. You can scan the code, but let's say like Kroger, take a picture of receipt. So it's sometimes you take a picture of receipt and they'll take it, but they'll reject it saying you need all the items that's on your cart. And that's kind of annoying. So, because when you get a receipt, you got bags in your hand, you have a receipt. That receipt is not crystal clear. It's kind of crumpled up a little bit. So I wish, the Pros is a really good app. It has a lot of good stores. Everybody shop at one of these stores. You get cash back, Food Lion, Aldi, the Fresh Market, BJ's. They have good discounts. You know, you could get $5, $6 back each time you shop. The negative side is you have to add each item onto your list, and you have to buy the item. So it's not automatically. So I wish it was like automatic. If I would have bought bread or bananas and eggs at, you know, and they would give me a discount automatically without even have to find it, scroll it, and add to my cart. So I found it kind of repetitive at some point. Unloading receipts is a pain also, because the receipts if you have a lot of groceries, your receipts are super duper long, and it's hard to line up the camera. And while I took a good picture, though most times they reject it and want me to take another picture, and that was like 4 or 5 hours later on to the next day. So I had to find that receipt again, and it's just sometimes it's a pain to do that. But it's a good app, but you know, it's a real good app. I will be using in the future. I go to Walmart or something. I see what's hot, what good deal. If we get bananas and bread, and if you go bananas and bread and get the, if you get the bananas and bread and you know, and get it and use a receipt, you get $1.50 back every time, which is pretty good. But you know, I wish like Dosh and other apps, it's instant cash back. I don't have to like scan everything. I can just you know, use my debit card as linked to the app and get the cash back automatically. It's okay, but you know, I wish it was just a little bit easier, because scanning that receipt is a pain, because them receipts are really long. And if I'm walking to my car with a handful of bags, or I gotta like fold it into my pocket, because when you get a long receipt, what do? You either put it in the bag and it gets destroyed, or you fold it into your pocket. It's all crumpled up, and once you unfold the receipt, it's all crumpled up anyway. So it's kind of hard to scan a receipt as doing a parking lot, which I don't do. But it's still a good app. If you use my promo code, you also get $5. All right. So my promo code is right here. I'll have below the video as well. But if you use my promo code, you get a free $20. That's what I have here. So you get a free $20 with my promo code. So go ahead and just use my promo code, get the free. I get a little kickback, and you get a little kickback as well. Again, it's a good app for Target, Walmart, and Kroger. Pretty good. I like it. And that's it for the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please visit my blog, dxckrtu.com. I have a small blog post about that as well. And I'll see you next time.